So, Emmanuel,
Yeah.
since I've been working with MyAirbags, I've learned so much about seatbelts. I had no idea that they were so complex.
Yeah.
So, there's a bunch of components that have to fire to create that tension. So, what happens like this where we have something that's broken, like what's going wrong with it?
Well, it's really a lot of technology in these seatbelts. And so when the car gets in an accident, the airbag module tells this guy to deploy, to fire off the pyro sensor. And so right here inside of this tube, there's typically metal balls. And so what they'll do is they'll fire off and they will lock in the metal spindle inside the seatbelt. And so what does that do? What that does, it snugs you back or pulls you back so that your face doesn't get crushed in the airbag. Yeah, so there's a lot of technology, and if it's not repaired properly, you just got destroyed by the airbag. So it's really important to get it done right. And what happens is people who don't know the technology or, just kind of doing it for fun, there's missing parts, there's cuts within the metal, and now the seatbelt doesn't work as it should.
Right. So one of the things I was noticing on a part that's been repaired incorrectly, when you were talking about gases flowing through and how that activates, so there's all these cuts here, and I noticed on the ones that you guys are using and replacing, there's none of that.
Yeah.
Right. So what else should we look for?
And look, it's important that you realize that if there's cuts, gases are escaping, and there's not enough pressure to do what it needs to do. So you're looking for, if you're not seeing metal, if you're seeing some kind of big cap on there, some kind of ring from Home Depot or Lowe's, something's off, right? And so as you can see here, it's nice, it's pressed, it's fully metal, there's no rubber parts on it, it's ready to go. And yeah, that's something to look out for.
Emmanuel, with everything that can go wrong with these seatbelts, right? And,
A lot can.
We want to make sure they function when they need to, right?
Yeah.
Why would we repair them?
Well, actually, we would not repair them because what we do, we buy these things in bulk. And I'm guessing the person who repaired this or the company that did this could not buy bulk from the OEM manufacturer. And so this is their only solution. And yeah, so what we do with this is recycle it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
See ya. Oh, so Chelsea, I got a pop quiz for you.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Okay. So can you tell me what you see here, what the difference is?
Well, before today, I would have totally said that this looked like it was repaired. I mean, this nice little plastic ring that they put around it, like it looks good. But now that I'm educated, I know that this is kind of like wearing Spanx.
Yeah. Spanx. Woo!
Okay, there's a lot going on underneath
Right.
And then here everything looks flush. It's sealed. I can just tell that this is a replacement. And even though this looks okay, this is not going to. There's not going to be any escaping gases going through here. So now, how about the? Wait, yeah, they sound different too.
Yeah, they sound different too.
Okay, that's giving
it
away
look
too.
and sound different.
And does this have the pyrotechnics?
I'm not
You
sure.
don't even know. Okay, wow. Okay, well, I'm going to go with this for mine.
Let's go.
So, Emmanuel, I'm dying to know. Now that I'm educated, I know this is the MyAirbags way. What is this? Like this plastic seal, what's it covering?
Do
underneath?
you want to find out
I
what's
want to
underneath?
know. Can we open it up?
I'm excited to know too. Let's go. Okay, let's make the cut. The great reveal is about to happen. Ooh, okay. There's some glue in there. Oh, you see the cuts there? See those cuts? And look at that, some sort of adhesive glue, JB Weld. And a plumbing thing from Home Depot. Yeah. So now you see
Yeah. So I mean,
what's underneath.
and that came off surprisingly easy. So I can just imagine, like in the
Deployment.
violence of a car
Yeah.
crash.
So the heat is going to just
Yeah.
push this away and cause some damage to the interior of the car, and that shouldn't happen.
And probably yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Now we see.
I see. Now I know.
So good.
Thank you.